Division of fractions. This is an elementary mathematics, basically for those in junior secondary school and primary schools. Now, division of fraction can be represented in two ways. Take for instance, we have x all over y. This x all over y can also be written in the form of x divided by y. These are two ways division can be represented. However, when you are dealing with division of fractions, for example, fraction divided by whole number divided by fraction, or fraction divided by fraction, it is advisable to use this form of division. It makes it easy to solve or to simplify. So let us answer this. 5 over 8 divided by 2. This is a fraction and this is a whole number. Now, whenever a whole number is dividing a fraction or a fraction is dividing a whole number, always take the whole number that there is an invisible one as its denominator. And according to the rule of division of fraction, this division sign will change to multiplication. We have it this way. We have 5 over 8 times. Now the division sign has changed to multiplication, and when this happens, this fraction will invert. 1 goes up and the numerator comes down. So we have it as 1 over 2. At this point, we are going to multiply the numerator. 5 multiply 1 as 5, and then the denominator 8 multiply 2 to give us 16. At this point, we cannot divide further, and this becomes the answer. Let's look at number 2. We have 24 divide 2 whole number 2 over 5. Now 24 is a whole number to be divided by a mixed number. Here we have 2 whole number 2 over 5. So the first thing to do, we are going to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. And what you do, use the whole number to multiply the denominator, which is 2 times 5, and then add the numerator to it. To see this is how it is. We have 24 divide, and here we have 2 multiply 5 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So we have 12 over the denominator, which is 5 over 5. So this is an improper fraction. Now remember that this whole number has an invisible one here. So according to the law of division of fraction, this division sign will change to multiplication as we did here. So 12 will now invert, come down, 5 goes up. So we have 24 over 1 multiply 5 goes up, and 12, which is the numerator, comes down. So at this point, we are meant to multiply the numerator and then multiply the denominator. But before we do that, we will first find out if we can divide them individually. And from here, 12 can go into 24. So we say 12 here 1, 12 into 24 is 2. So right now we have at the numerator 2 multiply 5, and that gives us 10. And at the denominator, 1 multiply 1 is 1, and this 10 divided by the 1 is still 10. So our answer here is 10. Let's go to number 3. We have 3 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 4. So the first thing is to rewrite this division in this pattern. So we have it like this: 3 whole number 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 4. Next is to express this mixed fraction in improper fraction. So we multiply 3 by 4, which is 12, plus the 1, which will give us 13. So here becomes 13 all over the denominator, which is 4. So this is an improper fraction. Divide by 3 over 4. So next we are going to change the division sign to multiplication, and this fraction will invert. So we have 13 over 4 multiply 4 goes up, 4 over 3. Now we can divide. 4 can go into 4, and what we have left is 13 over 3. So we have 13 over 3. Now when you have a fraction like this that the numerator is larger than the denominator, you cannot leave it like that, so you have to divide. 3 into 13 gives us 4 remainder 1. So we write it as 4 whole number, put the remainder up, 1 over the denominator, which is 3, and this becomes the answer. Finally, number 4, we have 2 whole number 5 over 6 divide 1 whole number 1 over 16. You try this, simplify this, and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you.